This is what it means to project the future, to do something different, something people ever doubted could happen. This is the Zelius Court extension. But before we go to this point, let's take you to the beginning. If you have ever doubted our ability to deliver, well, this is the time I get to tell you, doubt no more. This is the completed 3-bedroom bungalow at the Zelius Court extension. And as you have seen it, the clients are having the best time of their life because it is signed, sealed, and delivered. It's located at Bogije-Ajah. Of course, it is sold out, but you can still take advantage of some of our available units right here at the Zelius Court and the Zelius Court extension. This is where I do my happy dance because it's definitely a day to be happy.